Hello everyone and welcome to the third bonus video of this electrodynamics series. In this video I am going to prove the linearity properties of curl. So if we have a del cross, let's say scalar A times vector A plus scalar B times vector B, then that is going to be equal to A times del of del cross A plus B times del cross B. So we will prove this by expanding this del term. Okay, so what we can write is x cap del by del. First of all, let's say this whole term is f, vector f del okay, so del f by okay, so del f, so this is x, then it is del z by del y minus del f y by del z. Okay, so I'm forgetting it formula, so let me write in the matrix form, then I will expand. So this is gonna look like this: x cap, y cap, z cap, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z. This is fx, fy, fz. Okay, so this is gonna equal to x del by del x, sorry, del by del y, f of z minus del by del z, f of y, minus y cap del by del x, f z minus del by del z, f of x. Okay, the third term is z cap del by del x, fy minus del by del y, f of x. Okay, and we know that this fx is actually a times a of x plus, okay, so a times a of x plus b times b of x. Similarly, f of y is a times a of y plus b times b of y, and f z is a times a of z plus b times b of z. Okay, and you know that f is a plus b, so we are just expanding this. Okay, and when I expand this and expand this, comparing the component will give this result. Yeah, taking this the first term, and this is the, let's say, second, and this is the third. So we are taking the first. So the first is del f z by del y minus del f y by del z. So it is gonna equal to the del by del y, okay, a z minus b z minus del by del z, f of y is a y plus b y. Okay, so what it's gonna look like: a times a z minus b times b of z by del y minus a times a of y by del z plus b, I'm sorry, it's not plus, it's minus b times del of by del z. Okay, no, I think there is one mistake, that here I will have minus. Okay, and so here it is minus, and this minus and minus will give this plus. Similarly, the second will be del f, this is the del f z by del x, z by del x minus del f x by del z. So it is going to be del by del x so what is fz? A times a of z minus b times b of z minus del by del z is fx. So a times a of x minus b times b of x. So it is going to be del by del x a of z minus b times del of b of z del x minus a times del by del z a of x, and minus will give plus b times del of b of x by del of z. Similarly, the third term will give, so this is the third term, so it is del fy by del x minus del fx by del of y. And we have del of del x a times a of y minus b times a of b of y minus del of del y. F of x is a times a of x minus b times b of x. Okay, so we will expand this. A of y by del x minus b times del of by del x minus a times del of ax by del y minus and minus will plus b times del of bx by del y. Yeah, and one thing that 2 here we have 2, so there is a minus sign in the front of 2, so this is 2. So if we give the minus sign to the minus sign to the whole term, so it is gonna look like this, minus sign to the whole term. Okay, so this is gonna have minus sign, this is gonna plus, this is gonna plus, and this is gonna again minus sign. Now we will add all of 3. Okay, so adding all 3 will give this. Yeah, so we have this a and this a. Okay, we will write all of this term which has a as coefficient at the same place. Okay, so I'm just cut and copy. So this is the another term. No, this is the second term. Okay.